Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates, and give me your valuable opinion. In this video, we are going to check out the best 5 battle ropes. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones. Best of 5. Garage Fit Polyester Battle Ropes. Heavy weight to effectively increase strength and endurance. Heavy duty construction to allow for use outdoors. 600D waterproof sleeves that provide great grip. Easy to roll up for convenient storage and portability. Blue, red or yellow tracking line that helps during rope maintenance. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Amazon Basics Exercise Training Rope. 1.5-inch exercise rope for strength training, works hands, arms, shoulders, back, abs, core, and legs. 3-strand thick design made of durable polyester blend, high tensile strength prevents breaking, fraying, or coming loose. Can be used for undulation, pulling, or climbing exercises, alone or as part of a team. Rolls up for take anywhere portability, and compact storage. Measures 344 by 1.5 by 1.5 inch long, backed by an Amazon Basics limited 1-year warranty. Best of 3. Power Guidance Exercise Battle Rope. This battle ropes are all nylon sleeves covered, to protect the rope from friction, more durable and will last many years of usage. More durable and heavier than the blend of Poly Pro and Poly DAC materials. 7.5 inches heat shrink grips for improved grip and protection for your hands, and it will never come off. Available in 30 feet, 40 feet and 50 feet lengths with 1.5 inches thickness. The shorter conditioning rope is great for those new at rope training. Best of 2. Titan Fitness Battle Ropes for Slams. Battle ropes are a great way to achieve the physique you're searching for. They are a versatile piece of equipment that offers a wide variety of bodybuilding exercises. With battling ropes you can do slams, waves, and throws. These lifting exercises help you work each arm independently, so that you can get an even workout throughout. These ropes are great for fat burning, resistance training, cardio, and weight loss. Best of 1. FIREBREATHER Ropes for Exercise Training. Train the right way with this step-by-step illustrated guide that explains each routine from start to finish. Extend its life by connecting the anchor strap to fixed or weighted points. Combat ropes will get you in the best shape of your life. It's an explosive full-body workout. Longer and thicker ropes have more weight, and therefore provide more powerful workout. We've engineered our FIREBREATHER battle ropes with the absolute toughest polydacron. Check the description for best price and details. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please, give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share, and comments.